What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start your LLC if you live in the state of Ohio. So opening up your LLC and getting your business started is one of the best things that you can possibly do to start your own business, be official, start making money. And in this video, I'm going to make it really brief and quick. It's going to be less than 5 minutes, straight to the point. And before I get started and show you guys exactly step by step, I want to mention that once you get your LLC established, I want you to make sure that you renew it every year to keep it active. If you don't renew it every year, it can deactivate. And then by then, if you're trying to renew it, you have to pay a late fee. And I just want to mention that before you get started. Second thing, we're also going to get something that's called an EIN number with the LLC. So you get the LLC, great, but you also need an EIN number. This is a 9-digit number that you get from the IRS. Don't worry, in this video, we're going to break it down and show you guys exactly how to do it. So when you open up a business bank account, a business credit card, they're going to ask for the LLC and also the EIN number as well. So in this video, we're going to do it really fast and easy. If you want to follow along with this whole video, I'm going to have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. Click that link so you can follow along with this whole video so we can do this really fast and easy. So here I'm on Taylor Brands here. Let me show you guys here. Let me put the screen up like this. Okay. And like I said, if you click the link in the description down below, it's going to take you right here. We're going to click the state that we're doing today. And we are talking about Ohio. Let me look for that here. Boom. Okay, great. We have Ohio. Now we're going to click Get Started. And now it's going to ask you for your business name. So you want to have a business name already in mind. For me, I sell full-time on Amazon. So let's say I'm trying to make another Amazon store. I'm going to call this one Midtown Power Seller for this example. And you don't need to type in LLC because it's going to do it there for you. We're going to check if it's available. And yes, it's showing that it is available. So great. We're going to click Next here. And now they're going to ask, what stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm going to be just taking the first few steps. And when do you plan on launching your business? Let's say in a few weeks from now. We're going to click Next here. And then what industry are you in? So if you type in any letter here, you're going to see a ton of industries and categories coming up. For Amazon, it's related to e-commerce. So if you put this right here, you see it pop up here. I'm going to put e-commerce. And do I offer physical goods or services? I offer physical goods. So we're going to click Next here. Are you planning on hiring employees? For me, it's just going to be me because I work online. But if you do, you can click Yes, Not Sure. And don't worry, this is not going to affect your LLC, just answering any of these questions. So, all right, now you're going to put your zip code right here. And is your business an online business, a storefront, or on the go? For me, it's an online. We're going to click Next here. And then what have you already done for your business? So honestly, I have done none of this so far, so I'm just going to skip this here. And then how did you discover Taylor Brands? If you're watching this video, click YouTube right here. I'm going to click Next. And do you want to sign up for a 12-week coaching program? It's free. If you want to check it out, you can. For this example in this video, we're going to click No Thank You. But of course, if you want to check it out, maybe see how it is, if it's free, all to you. Okay. Now what we're going to be doing here is putting in our contact information, right? This is an example video for you guys, so I'm just going to be putting a couple random stuff here. All right, and now the password, and we're going to click Next. And we're almost done with the whole process. You're almost done getting your LLC and being established. Okay. So remember how I mentioned that you're going to need to get the LLC and the EIN number. So Taylor Brands could get the EIN number for you for $99 extra. I recommend it because it's just one more thing you don't have to worry about. If you want to save some money, you can handle it yourself. And once your LLC is established, you will go to the IRS website, file for the EIN number. You would have to do it on weekdays because on the weekends, for some reason, the IRS website doesn't work. Really weird, really strange, but you could do it yourself. You could save some money. Ideally, I personally would just get them to do it for me. It's a one-time payment of $99. All to you, right? If you think you can do it and you're really good with computers and stuff like that, you can get it done the same day. for me, I'm just gonna pay a little bit extra, get it done. We're gonna click next here, and then now they're gonna ask, you want to assign Taylor Brands as your registered agent. For me, I like to be my own, I am always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs and new businesses. So when you assign someone as a registered agent is when you don't live in that state. So let's say if I'm trying to make an LLC in Ohio, like then I would need to hire a registered agent because you need to be living in the state to create an LLC in that state. And why do people do this? Sometimes there's tax benefits, privacy. Like if your CPA recommends it, maybe in the future, if your business like is a multi-million-dollar business, then maybe. But like 95% of the people watching this would be their own registered agent. For me, I am my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. It's pretty much like who's going to be receiving the mail for the LLC. So it's pretty simple. They make it sound really serious with registered agent, that wording, but I mean, it's really just like who's going to be receiving the mail, and it's going to be me. So click this, and are you sure? Yes, I'm going to be the registered agent. Now, to keep your good standing status in Ohio with our annual compliance, what this means is basically, do you want Taylor Brands to renew your LLC for you every year? Automatically, they charge $199 for this, for an automatic renewal. I like to handle it myself because to renew your LLC, you have like 2 to 3 months to renew it. So I feel like that's a long time. It's more than enough time to like renew it, you know, when you're free. So I like to handle it myself. If you think you're gonna forget, you can click this one. But for this, and we're trying to save some money. Okay. Now, do you want a branding toolkit? No, thank you. This is something that I recommend. So expedited filing, right? You can get your LLC filed in 2 business days for $49 extra, or you can wait 2 weeks and not have to pay anything extra. It all depends on your situation and your time frame. Let's say if you're really in a rush, you're ready to be established, you're ready to get your business bank account, business credit card, you're just super excited. I would go with expedited filing. Let's say if you have a lot on your plate and you really don't care about the 2 weeks or whatnot, then you can go with the 14 days. For me, I like to pay a little bit extra, get the expedited filing. That way I get my business up and running, get that business credit card. Okay, now do you want operating agreement? Honestly, you don't need this at all. I never get this. You do this. And do you need a formation kit? You don't need this as well. Now, and do you want invoicing and bookkeeping? Personally, for me, I always handle it myself on QuickBooks and stuff like that. You could always check this out. This might be something cool to check out, but for me, I always do my own books and invoices. We're gonna click next here. And do you wanna get notified by Taylor Brands? We're gonna click this, get notified. That way we have our LLC status, compliance, and anything like that. We'll click next here. And now they're gonna have 3 plans to choose from. But remember, in the beginning, we already got those little upgrades of like the expedited filing and the EIN number. So all you have to do really is pay that state fee no matter what. The state fee for Ohio is $99. No matter what, you have to pay that state fee. So we're gonna click this light here, right? And you're gonna see here, Ohio filing fee for the state is $99. And we paid a little bit extra for expedited filing of $49. Let's say if you don't mind waiting, 2 weeks, you can just pay $99, right? If we click show more here, you'll see the annual compliance, which is auto renewal. We took that off. Registered agent, you're gonna be your own registered agent. We're also paying a little bit extra for the EIN number, $99. It all depends if you want to do it yourself or not. For this example, we want to do it. And yeah, that's about it. We got the expedited filing here, and the total today is $148. And that's about it, guys. That's exactly how you open up your LLC and get your business started in the state of Ohio. Really fast and easy and straight to the point. Do not procrastinate. Be your own boss. Start your own business. I mean, it's one of the best things that you could potentially do. There are the highs and lows when opening up a business, but it's unlimited potential, unlimited earnings. The more hard work you put in, the more potential of the outcome comes out of it. So highly recommend it. If you want to follow along, link is in the description as well as in the pinned comments. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit that like button, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.